women dressed their traditional uniforms at the Delegates National Volleyball Team. Under the Ministry of Infrastructure and Transport to support road infrastructure projects in Bhutan. Currently, the national workforce employs about 1,936 laborers, 1,900 responsible for maintaining highways, ensuring road safety and accessibility year-round. Therefore, on these national issues, necessary and offer our gratitude to this kind of workers for helping us stay connected across the country. Next, we have the talented Bright team representing the Space team.